Just because you're a practical family guy doesn't mean you have to give up driving exciting cars. Not when you've got the rugged, stylish, and highly capable 2026 Honda Pilot. This 3-row SUV offers you loads of interior space, plenty of towing power, and even lots of fuel efficiency, all in a tasteful, rugged body. Stay with us as we've got some really exciting details about how the all-new 2026 Honda Pilot disrupts the auto market. Powertrain. One of the great things about the 2026 Honda Pilot is that it comes in many different trims, so finding one that suits your needs, preferences, and personal style won't be a problem at all. We think that having plenty of options is pretty neat, but more than that, we love the fact that buyers get the same reliable and capable powertrain no matter which model they go with. In our opinion, Honda made the right decision choosing the 3.5-liter V6 engine as the standard across the board for the 2026 Pilot. That engine comes paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. On top of that, the car comes standard as a front-wheel drive, though you also have the flexibility of choosing the iVTM4 all-wheel drive system instead. When you put all those things together, you find that this powertrain makes the Pilot incredibly useful in a wide variety of situations. So whether you need to haul your whole family in the back, move cargo between 2 points, or even tow a trailer, you can rest assured that the 2026 Honda Pilot can handle it without breaking a sweat. Fuel efficiency. Naturally, any vehicle that proclaims to be family-friendly must also be friendly to your wallet. Take a closer look and you'll find that it is indeed the case with the 2026 Honda Pilot. At its best, you'll get 22 miles combined per gallon of gas that you burn. More specifically, we're talking about doing 19 miles in the city and a pretty nice 27 on the highway. Not bad, considering how much you can haul in this car in terms of passengers and cargo. And speaking of fuel, the 2026 Honda Pilot also features an 18.5-gallon fuel tank. Gather the kids around for some easy multiplication and what you'll get is just above 400 miles of range on a full tank of gas. To put that number into perspective, that means you could take a road trip from the Vegas Strip all the way to the Grand Canyon and back without having to refuel. Towing. So far, you've heard a few times that the 2026 Honda Pilot is quite a capable machine. Now that we've covered the great powertrain and impressive fuel efficiency numbers, let's get specific. One area where the Honda Pilot demonstrates its capability is in its towing capacity. The car is rated to tow up to 5,000 pounds in total. That's the same across the board, no matter if you're buying the base model or the top-of-the-line one. Being able to tow that much weight means you could disrupt your next family adventure in a great way. Imagine hauling a trailer with your bicycles, a jet ski, maybe even a small boat to go fishing on the lake. Bringing that gear with you means there's no limit to what a family road trip could look like. But of course, that towing capacity is useful even when you're in work mode back home. 5,000 pounds mean you can haul a small cargo trailer packed with your equipment and supplies, whether that's from the hardware store or between job sites. Off-roading. Transporting the wife and kids while towing their bicycles isn't all the Honda Pilot is good for. As you might have guessed from the start, this baby can also handle itself quite well off-road. While all Honda Pilot trim levels feel great to drive off the beaten path, you'll want to pay close attention to the Trail Sport trim. If the name sounds familiar to you, it's because that's the more off-road oriented trim available for many of Honda's models, including the 2026 Pilot. Here's how the Trail Sport will help you conquer the off-road environment. For starters, it comes with an additional inch of ground clearance. While the rest of the Honda Pilot lineup stands at 7.3 inches, the Trail Sport comes in at 8.3 inches instead. That's thanks to the off-road tuned suspension, which helps keep the ride comfortable even when you're on unpaved territory. We also like how it has much better angles to help you go over steep obstacles. With the Trail Sport trim, you have an approach angle of 19.8 degrees, a breakover of 19.6 degrees, and a departure angle of 19.0 degrees. The car's underbody is also protected with skid plates for the engine and fuel tank. Plus, there is recovery points on the front and rear to help you get yourself or someone else out of a tight spot. And let's not forget the 18-inch wheels wrapped with all-terrain tires, the integrated Class 3 trailer hitch, and the Trail Watch camera system to help navigate those tricky turns. Again, all of the 2026 Honda Pilot trims will perform well when you take them off-road, but if you want the absolute best, the Trail Sport is the way to go. Trims. As you can see, the Trail Sport trim on the 2026 Honda Pilot is pretty impressive. Still, it's just one of several good trims that you want to explore. So let's start this story from the beginning. Overall, the 2026 Honda Pilot comes in 6 different flavors, so finding one that matches your style will surely be easy. It all starts with the Sport trim. This is the base model that gives you the full Honda Pilot experience without breaking the bank. It's got pretty comfy cloth seats and a leather-wrapped steering wheel on the inside. Plus, you'll also get features like 20-inch alloy wheels and roof rails, among others. Not too bad for the most affordable trim. Naturally, you can step it up a little to the EXL trim. It's got everything the base model has, but with a little extra comfort like the leather-trimmed seats and with added conveniences like the power tailgate. Then there's the earlier mentioned Trail Sport trim. As you saw earlier, that's the Honda Pilot that's better equipped to handle the off-road environment. Aside from the extra features already mentioned, it also has durable synthetic leather with orange stitching, so you and everyone around you will know that you've got a special kind of Honda Pilot. Higher on the totem pole are the remaining 3 trims, all of which are luxurious to varying degrees. There's the Touring trim with its leather interior, panoramic moonroof, and Bose premium sound system, for example. On top of that is the Elite trim, which adds even more comfort features like heated and ventilated seats and tech like the heads-up display. And last but certainly not least, we have the Black Edition. That's the top-of-the-line Honda Pilot trim with a perforated leather-trimmed interior and red stitching, plus black aesthetics all around. That means a gloss black front grille, black trim accents, and even 20-inch black alloy wheels. From the base model to the top of the line, black on black one, we know there's a 2026 Honda Pilot for every kind of car buyer. Exterior. When we look at the 2026 Honda Pilot from the outside, a few key words come to mind. They include bold, modern, and practical. And that's true no matter which side of the car you're looking at. Up front, you have the instantly recognizable hexagon mesh grille. Paired with the modern LED headlights, you've got a front fascia that shows this is a powerful, upscale vehicle that'll turn heads the moment you turn the corner. But here's where the Honda Pilot sets itself apart. While many SUVs on the market only look practical and rugged, the Honda Pilot is the real deal. We all know a couple of models that look the part but aren't actually that capable when it comes to getting the job done. But with this car, all of the exterior design elements, like the strong angles, straight lines, and practical accessories, are all backed up by genuine capability. When you're commuting to work, going off-road, or towing a heavy load, the 2026 Honda Pilot blends good looks and strong capabilities perfectly. Interior. The 2026 Honda Pilot is as stylish and practical on the inside as it is on the outside. Again, this is a 3-row SUV that can fit up to 8 people in total. More importantly, it can do that comfortably with plenty of head, leg, shoulder, and hip room, totaling 158.4 cubic feet of passenger volume. In the past, the Honda Pilot had the unfortunate issue of featuring screens that were way too small by today's standards. Thankfully, it is now caught up with a larger 12.3-inch infotainment display, still centrally positioned on the dashboard. That comes alongside the now 10-inch digital instrument cluster that makes monitoring the car's key information much easier to do. Over in the back, you can fit as much as a massive 113.7 cubic feet of cargo. That's perfect if you want to leave the kids behind and just fit a large dog crate and pet supplies in the back. Price. Alright, let's talk numbers. The price tag for the 2026 Honda Pilot starts at $42,200. That'll get you behind the wheel of the Sport trim level, which is the base model. Add a little on top to get the EXL trim at $45,500 for some extra comfort. If you plan on driving off-road most of the time and want the Trail Sport trim, that'll set you back $51,400. From there, we have the more luxurious trim levels, starting with the Touring trim at $49,500. That's followed by the Elite trim at $55,080. And last but not least, the Black Edition at $56,580.